Good morning all students. Today we are on the topic that is application of derivatives. In this chapter we are seeing approximation. It is the second exercise of the chapter. So let's start with that. First of all, let me tell you the formula. The formula for approximation is f of a plus h is approximately equals to f of a plus h f dash of a. You know that f dash means derivative. We are applying this application of derivative, so we have to take the derivative of the terms. So now I have already written one of the problem on it. So just see that problem. Find the approximate value of 64.1 under root of 64.1. So how to find the value of this term, and the value will be approximate because you can see here the sign. It is the sign for approximation. ये approximation chapter है. इसमें जो formula यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग वो है f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. So we have to get these terms. ये हमको चाहिए f of a चाहिए, h चाहिए and f dash of a चाहिए. तो how we will get that and how we will solve? Let's start it. Here solution. We have to find this 64.1 equals to what? That we have to find. Now let f of x equals to root of x. We are taking this term 64.1 equals to x. So here we have to split this x in a form a plus h. Means we are having 64.1. How we are going to split it out? Just see. I am writing here 64.0.1. You may arise the question, how I have distributed these two terms. ये दो टर्म को मैंने अलग ऐसे ही क्यों किया, अलग वे में क्यों नहीं किया, तो उसके लिए मैं थोड़ा सा डिटेल आपको बता देता हूँ. जस्ट लिसन हियर. इफ सपोज हियर वी आर राइटिंग 27, तो क्या करना है आपको, आपको इसका नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर, यू हैव टू सी द नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस. द नियरेस्ट वन विल बी 25. यू कैन टेक द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 25, दैट विल कम्स आउट टू बी 5. And what is the part that is remained? That is 2. So you can take it 2. That is the way how we split these terms when it is square root. Okay. If suppose if it is cube root of 65, now you have to split it in such a way that one term will be the cube root. The nearest cube root of 65 is 64, and the remaining part is 1. So here you have to split it in this way. That is the basic thing, how to split the terms. Just go through this again. I am repeating. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 27 है, तो इसको स्प्लिट कैसा किया जाएगा. तो यहाँ रूट है तो एक इसके पास का रूट आना चाहिए. वो रूट आ रहा है आपका 25, और जो बचा हुआ पोर्शन है वो 2. तो वैसे इसको ये जो पोर्शन है इसको हम लोग a बोलते हैं और ये पोर्शन को हम लोग h बोलते हैं. सिमिलरली मैंने यहाँ पे क्यूब रूट ले लिया. अब क्यूब रूट में भी हमको देखना है, जब ये टर्म है तो इसके पास का क्यूब रूट कौन सा है. तो वी कैन सी हियर कि इसका जो क्यूब रूट आ रहा है पास का वो है 64, क्योंकि 64 का क्यूब रूट होता है 4. तो 64 ले लियो, बचा हुआ पोर्शन हमने h ले लिया. तो दिस इज द वे हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्प्लिट द टर्म्स. नाउ I have already splitted it. So here the term here, this is a and this one is h. So what I will do, I will just write here a equals to 64 and h equals to 0.1. Now we will go for the problem itself. Okay. So our first equation is this, f of x equals to root of x. Now we will differentiate equation 1 with respect to x, because the function we have taken in x. So now it will comes out to be f dash of x f dash of x will be 1 upon twice root of x. This is our equation 2. Again I am repeating, अंडर रूट ऑफ 64.1 था, इसको हमने x दे दिया, ये रूट में था इसलिए रूट x हो गया, फिर इसका डेरिवेटिव ले लिया हमने, तो ये आ गया 1/2 रूट x. अब हमको जो वैल्यूज फाइंड करना है, क्योंकि हमारा जो फॉर्मूला मैंने ऊपर लिखा हुआ है ये फॉर्मूला है, ठीक है, तो ये फॉर्मूले में हमको पुट करना है. इट मींस हमको f ऑफ a चाहिए और f डैश ऑफ a चाहिए. तो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड इट आउट, लेट्स सी. व्हाट विल डू, x इक्वल्स टू a इक्वल्स टू, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a, 64. Put in equation 1. So what we will get? What we will get here? We will get f of a equals to under root of 64, and under root of 64 will be 8. So f of a equals to 8. That is our first term. What we got here. Now what we have to get here? F dash of a. So we will put that the same value in equation number 2. Put x equals to a equals to 8, so 64 in equation. This one is 2, but this one is equation 2. So what we will do now? We will write here f dash of a will be 1 upon twice under root of 64. 1 upon twice under root of 64. The square root of 64 will be, comes out to be twice into 8. It will be 1 upon 16. It means if we are going to divide 1 by 16, you will get 0.0625. Okay, so f dash of a is equal to 0.625. Now we got the values of f dash of a, f of a, and already we have got it, h equals to 0.1. Now we can substitute the values in our formula. We are having the formula f of a plus h is approximately equals to f of a plus h f dash of a. Then what is the value of f of a? That is 8, plus what is the value of h? 0.1, and what is the value of f dash of a? 0.0625. Okay, so it will comes out to be 8 plus 0.00625. Now we will add these two terms. It will come out to be 0.00625, and this one is our function. Our function was under root of 64.1, and this is our answer. We got this answer, and it is the approximate value of under root of 64.1. So got it? Done.